Hello guys, ito na ang Araneta City, Cubao, Quezon City. Ang laki na ng pinagbago dito. Ang dami ng matataas na building. Madalas ako dati dito noon dahil sa Sumulong Highway ako nakatira. Dito ang sakayan ng jeep papuntang Sumulong, Antipolo. Kaso ang hirap na ng sakayan ngayon. Although mabilis-bilis ang biyahe ng carousel, malayo naman ang lalakarin mo. Ang baba mo ng Cubao ay lampas na ng Tuason. Samantalang noon, either ibabaw or ilalim ang bus, malapit-lapit ang lalakarin. Hindi natin makukuha lahat ng positive na aspeto ng mga ginagawa natin o ng mga bagay. May advantage, mabilis ang biyahe. Ang disadvantage, malayo ang lalakarin. Noon, malapit ang lalakarin mo, ang traffic naman, magulo ang EDSA noon. Anyway, yan yung itsura ng traffic, mga na ito, bandang alas 9. Yan ang MRT train. Bandang na ito? Bandang Tuason. So nagsilipa na yung mga matataas na building dyan. Natawa ako, may nagchat sa akin kung andyan pa daw ang Alibangbang. So far sa napansin ko, may mataas na building na nakatayo dyan sa pwesto ng Alibangbang. Medyo kahit ako, hirap na maghanap ng parking yun. Nagtatanong-tanong na ako kung saan yung paradahan ng mga minibus. I don't think may mga jeep pang biyahe doon sa Antipolo. Mga na minibus na aircon, which is good really. Although hindi man hybrid or electric, aircon na. Di kagaya ng mga jeep noon na mauusok. Although sa ibang lugar may jeep pang biyahe, pero galing Cubao papuntang Antipolo or ibang lugar, mga minibus na. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel guys. Feel free to like, comments or share. Hope to see you on my next video.
Remember the days of your bread and water, man. Remember the days of your hunger. But don't forget your roots and the counter. Remember your place of shelter. Cause I you till with warm and you can run far. You till with guns and got your neck up. Cause I don't you by the hands and feet. My guns and now don't you by the hands. Skip it him, skip it him, skip. Skip it him, skip it him, skip school. Skip it him, skip it him, skip. Skip it him, skip it him, skip school. My friends are now, don't you by the hands and feet. And don't you burn the bridges up behind him, but you know, don't you burn the bridges up behind him. Cause if you burn the bridges up, then there's a one thing to do. That you do dance with that we surely need just in the sun. Don't you body hands and a beat and the buzzing up. Don't you body hands and feet and the house. Skip it in, skip it in, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Skip it, skip it, skip. Skip it, every dip, skip it, skip school. Roots take our time. Pwede ba may mga kamay na palakpan sa niyang tulay? Yeah! so much again for inviting us here.